Grundfos Industrial Solutions is proud to announce the latest innovation to our CR family of pumps. Introducing the Grundfos Model CRH Horizontal End Suction Centrifugal Pump. Complete with all of the groundbreaking technology of our CR pump, reconfigured in a horizontal end suction design. The CRH addresses the needs of ANSI pump users in the chemical process and industrial markets by offering a highly efficient pump design that is dimensionally interchangeable with traditional ANSI pumps. Grundfos is committed to delivering technology that is responsible, forward-thinking, and innovative. The CRH builds on that commitment by offering benefits to both the customer and the environment. Here is a typical ANSI pump installation. Pump users routinely compromise pump efficiency for interchangeability with other ANSI pumps in the plant. While some of these pumps operate near their best efficiency point, other pumps, like this one, operate well below their best efficiency, causing high levels of wasted energy. The cost of this wasted energy far outweighs any benefit gained from interchangeability. The life cycle cost of a pump is the true cost of ownership through its entire operating life. It includes the original purchase price and installation, maintenance and disposal, and all the energy required to power the pump during its lifetime. Energy consumption accounts for more than 80% of the life cycle cost of a typical pump. That is why Grundfos is passionate about producing pumps with the highest possible efficiencies. In this application, the traditional ANSI pump offers interchangeability, but it is much larger than needed to deliver the required flow rate. This causes the pump to operate far from its best efficiency point, which dramatically increases the power needed to run the pump. In contrast, the Grundfos CRH is engineered to deliver more duty points at or near the best efficiency. Better efficiency means lower horsepower demand, smaller, less expensive motors, and significant energy savings. Your investment in the CRH will begin paying dividends immediately and continuously throughout its long life. Simply remove the worn-out traditional ANSI pump and slide the CRH in its place. The CRH is designed to bolt directly into the existing piping and casing footprint of the traditional ANSI pump without modification. Simply add support blocks between the new smaller motor and the existing base plate, and you are ready to go. The CRH offers long-term flexibility as well. If changes to your process result in higher pressure requirements, the multi-stage CRH is ready to deliver. A traditional ANSI pump is trapped by its own casing. To meet the higher pressure demands, you can only marginally increase the diameter of the traditional ANSI pump impeller before needing a larger pump, which would require expensive changes to the existing piping and foundation work. The unique design of the CRH allows you to adapt to new pressure requirements by adding more stages to the pump and upsizing the motor if necessary, while using the existing piping and foundation. Matching pump characteristics to your system requirements is critical to long-lasting, trouble-free installations. Oversized pumps create maintenance problems as well. You see, the farther away from the best efficiency point a traditional ANSI pump operates, the greater the stresses are on the shaft and impeller. These damaging loads result in premature bearing and mechanical seal failures. In fact, mechanical seal problems account for over 75% of all pump failures. Of course, this means you'll be paying for new seals and the labor to replace them more often, but the highest cost of all can be the price you pay in lost production due to downtime. Applying a Grundfos CRH better suited to your system needs will allow you to get the full life out of your pump. And when you do need to change a mechanical seal, the design of the CRH, with its spacer coupling, C-face mounted motor, and cartridge mechanical seal assembly, will provide fast and simple seal replacement. For example, in a traditional ANSI pump, when a mechanical seal fails, the time and labor costs to replace the seal are considerable. After removing the coupling guard and coupling, the entire back pull-out assembly must be unbolted and removed from the pump casing and base plate, thereby disturbing the critical pump-to-motor alignment. The back pull-out is then brought to the maintenance shop, where it is nearly completely disassembled to allow for the replacement of the seal. After reassembly, the back pull-out must be reinstalled and the pump must be realigned before it is ready to go. This process can take an entire shift. On the other hand, the CRH cartridge mechanical seal can be easily replaced in less than an hour right there on the spot. Simply remove the coupling guard and the spacer coupling. Unscrew and remove the cartridge seal. Install the replacement seal. Reinstall the coupling and the guard, and you are ready to run. The entire seal replacement is completed without removing the pump from the base plate and without disturbing the pump-to-motor alignment. The reduction in downtime, thanks to the CRH design, is clear. Time is money. The smart design of the CRH keeps your production going and your maintenance staff free to focus on other needs. Grundfos is once again raising the bar on pump performance with the CRH. And in our commitment to innovation, we take it even farther. The new CRH N-suction centrifugal pump design for use in traditional ANSI pump applications is available with a variety of options to meet the demands of your unique process and optimize the performance of your system. This includes our Grundfos E-Solutions, which give you total control of your pumping system in a user-friendly, variable speed solution. Whether you choose our MLE motor with integrated drive or our wall-mounted CUE, Grundfos E-Solutions offer additional opportunity to cut your energy costs by as much as 80%. All the benefits of the renowned Grundfos CR in an ANSI plug-and-play solution that fits into your existing piping layout while offering unparalleled efficiencies. As a world leader of intelligent, high-quality pumps and pumping systems, we at Grundfos are committed to being at the forefront of technological development by introducing truly innovative solutions for the benefit of our customers and the environment. Contact Grundfos today and explore how you can start saving money with the CRH pump.